Hi everyone, I'm back with another what's in my bag video, and I'm currently filming in Plantation Bay Resort and Spa here in Mactan, Cebu, staying in a lagoon view room right above the water. Thank you to my friend Kate for having me with her during this stay, and to Plantation Bay for having us. So I actually won this leather bag from Vanya, Philippines in a giveaway at Oak Ridge. I met the owner and she encouraged me to join the giveaway, and a couple of hours later she drew my name. So thank you so much to Caitlin of Vanya for this. This particular style is called the Crescencia bag. So I'm really glad to have a piece by Vanya because they create bespoke pieces and they only have a few pieces per style, and this is made of pure leather. It's designed and made in the Philippines. So let me get started with my bag charm. So I got this alcohol berry scented spray from my friend Maan, who celebrated her birthday recently with a Pilates class and a yoga class. So thank you for this. And of course it's pink. And here I also have a Hello Kitty keychain with a bell and a pom-pom, just super cute. And here I have my flower clip. And here I have the super cute bag charm slash phone. Like, you can use this as a phone wristlet. It comes with a plastic card that I just removed because I wanted to put this on my purse. Super cute Sanrio characters. So it's a crescent shaped bag, so it's called the Crescencia. It's a half circle, but it does stand quite well on its own, and it has a very sturdy metal button closure there. I could start with this. I was in Manila for like 24 hours over the weekend, just for a meeting, and then I had a little bit of time to go to Muji before we went to dinner. So this is a Muji pouch still with a tag on, and I definitely overspent on this, but I really like it because it has so many pockets. It has this big pocket on the outside and two smaller pockets on the other side, and it's big enough to fit my mini notebook. And it has a bunch of pockets also, and a bunch of my crap inside. I have a toothbrush. Yes, it's Hello Kitty because why not? Travel size toothpaste to go with the toothbrush. Peripera Airy Ink Velvet in the old packaging. A movie ticket for Gladiator 2. I watched it twice. I did really enjoy it. Eyelash curler from Miniso. Can make a cream cheek from Japan. I really love this for super natural flush. A couple of gel pens. So the pink one is from Fully Booked, and this one is from Muji. Cream concealer from MAC, and I am sorry for the state of my nails. I removed my acrylic nails at home, so they're still taking time to recover. Rare Beauty highlighter. A couple of travel size sample perfumes. We have one from L'Occitane. It does smell really pretty, and this one is Romance by Ralph Lauren. Just another look at this pouch, which does zip down pretty much all the way here on both sides, and so many pockets. Like, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets. So this is supposed to be a makeup pouch, but I think it's great for just using as a bag organizer, and it happens to be exactly the same height as the Crescencia purse, so I thought that was perfect. And lastly, I have this little pouch from Korea, and it holds a bunch of my crystals. So there's really no such thing as too many crystals, but I'm carrying a bit more than usual because I just bought some of these recently, and the rose quartz is a gift from my GBFF, gay best friend forever.